Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Kimora, and we're this year's Rally Chairs. Welcome to our 2021 Homecoming Rally.
We put together a series of videos for you to enjoy.
Enjoy our first performance of the year by Highland Band.
Up next, we would like to introduce our homecoming court.
Selena, who is your favorite person on the homecoming court?
My best friend Angel.
Quad, who is your favorite person on the homecoming court?
My favorite person would have to be Andrew.
Maddie, who is your favorite person on the homecoming court?
I think Guadalupe because she's just the prettiest.
Efraina, who's your favorite person on the homecoming court?
Myself.
Angel, who's your favorite person on the homecoming court and why?
I say Selena because she's my best friend.
Turney, who's your favorite person on the homecoming court and why?
I think it's Guadalupe because she's the cutest.
Elijah, who's your favorite person on the homecoming court?
I'll say Andrew.
Mason, who's your favorite person on the homecoming court and why?
Probably Maddie because she'll get mad if I don't say her name.
Selena, why should people vote for you to win homecoming queen?
You guys should vote for me to win homecoming queen because I'm super friendly and I would very much appreciate your guys' votes.
Guadalupe, what has been your favorite part about being on the cheer team?
My favorite part about being on the cheer team would probably be cheering with a lot of girls who are really nice and also getting to cheer on our football team and cheering for them to win.
Maddie, tell us, which sport do you like more, softball or volleyball?
I think softball because I've been playing it longer. Volleyball is just not my thing, I'm too short.
Okay. Angel, what has been your favorite part about being on the football team?
Seeing the fans in the stands.
Okay, Efraina, does pineapple belong on pizza?
Yes.
Turney, tell us why people should vote for you.
Why not?
Elijah, important question from your fans. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
No.
Mason, between basketball and water polo, which is your favorite and why?
I'd pick basketball because I'm 6'4".
Enjoy our final performance from our Highland dance team.
Musical. It goes one by one, even two by two. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up one time, wind it back once more. Come, run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move. And rock it to the groove. Done. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run. If you ready to move, say yeah. One time for your mind, say yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for it. Come, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move.
all for watching.
Come out and support us and watch us win today's football game.